Are you an introvert looking for a side hustle? Do you love spending hours researching fascinating topics? Content curation might be your perfect match. It's a quiet way to earn money online. You don't need to be a social butterfly. No need to be a salesperson either. Content curation is simple. You find the best content on a specific topic. This could be articles, videos, or podcasts. Then you share these gems with your audience in a digestible format. Think of yourself as a museum curator. You carefully select and arrange exhibits for visitors to enjoy. The best part? You can earn a significant income doing this. Imagine earning an extra $3,000 per month, all from the comfort of your own home. This dream can be your reality with content curation. It's time to turn your passion into profit. So how does this content curation magic translate into cold, hard cash? The answer lies in building a loyal audience. When you consistently deliver valuable content, people take notice. They trust your judgment. They become eager to hear your recommendations. One popular way to monetize your curated content is through newsletters. Imagine having 1,000 true fans eagerly awaiting your weekly email, each email filled with insightful articles and resources. Platforms like ConvertKit report that such a list can easily generate $500 to $1,000 per month. Now imagine growing that list to 3,000 subscribers. You see where this is going, right? But that's not all. You can explore other avenues to boost your income. Offering premium subscriptions with exclusive content is a great option. Partnering with businesses for sponsored links can be lucrative. Recommending relevant products through affiliate marketing is another income stream. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it really for me? If you're an introvert, the answer is a resounding yes. Content curation plays to your inherent strengths. Introverts are often natural researchers. They enjoy diving deep into topics that fascinate them. They possess a keen eye for detail. They can quickly sift through the noise and identify truly valuable content. Moreover, content curation doesn't require constant social interaction. You don't need to be a networking guru or a charismatic salesperson. You can build a successful side hustle from the comfort of your own space. You set your own pace. You curate content you genuinely enjoy. Ready to embark on your content curation journey? Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics could you spend hours exploring? Pick a niche that excites you. This will keep you motivated. Next, pick your platform. Will you start with a free platform like Medium or a paid newsletter service like Substack? Choose the one that aligns with your goals. Then, curate consistently. Consistency is key. Create a schedule. Stick to it. Regular content keeps your audience engaged. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback. Building a community fosters loyalty. Finally, promote your work. Share your curated content on social media. Collaborate with others in your niche. Remember, building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. Be patient, stay consistent, deliver exceptional value. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve.